In a moment, I will show you how I made my do-it-yourself 90-degree screwdriver. You rotate the handle and the screwdriver tip turns. This tool was specifically made to access the synchronization screw on 1976 and later Yamaha XS650 motorcycle carburetors. The linked carbs have a sync screw located between them, which is difficult to reach. I am going to start the bike and you will hear the RPMs change as I manipulate that screw. I am going to make my 90-degree screwdriver without spending a dime, using materials and tools that I already have. This is a perfect length of scrap 1/4 inch OD copper tubing. That's 1/4 inch outside diameter, as used for refrigerator ice makers or other refrigeration applications. This is a small diameter pipe bender for bending the copper tubing. This is a sheath and cable for a motorcycle speedometer or tachometer. I've already pulled the cable out of the sheath, which we will discard. I will be running the inner flexible cable inside my copper tube. I have some solder and some flux and a handheld propane torch, which I will use to solder my screwdriver tip to my cable. Finally, I will use this wooden dowel to make a handle which will go on the end of the copper tube and which will also clamp my flexible cable. Jumping ahead, I have soldered my screwdriver tip to my flexible cable, I have threaded the cable through my copper tubing, and now, by twisting the cable, the screwdriver tip turns. So there's the basic concept. If you want to work out the fabrication details for yourself, go for it. And be sure to hit the like button and link this video to your friends and groups. If you'd like to see a deeper dive with all of the details of how I made this tool, then proceed to part 2. Same title, but part 2 instead of 1, which I will link to below in the written description.